In this video, I will show you how to insert an image letterhead in MS Word document. Let's get started. Launch Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add the letterhead. Go to the Insert tab in the toolbar. Click on Pictures and select this device. Select your letterhead image file and click Insert. Once the image is inserted, right-click on it and select Size and Position. In the Size tab, set both the width and height to 100% to ensure it covers the entire page. Go to the Text Wrapping tab and choose Behind Text. This allows you to type over the letterhead without obstruction. In the Position tab, set horizontal alignment to centered and relative to page. Set vertical alignment to top and relative to page. Click OK to apply these settings. Ensure that your letterhead is positioned correctly on the page. You may need to adjust margins or reposition the image slightly based on your specific layout needs. Now write your text or paste it here. By following these steps, you can effectively insert and customize an image letterhead in your Microsoft Word document.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.